Hello guys, in this video, let us understand how to work on 1.6 portfolio creation of AIML work. Okay, so as a part of this task, what we do is like we create a portfolio on Wix or other portfolio creating websites. Okay, so when you see all this information, you get confused, but it's a simple activity. So the main purpose of this work is you will be creating an artifact using AI application. Say, for example, here at the bottom it is given. See, you want to create a marketing plan for a small business, and you did it like you used AI ChatGPT like this. Maybe let me take ChatGPT. Create a marketing plan for small business. Rather than small business, I say salon. Okay. So, and I will give prompt like it should include some sort of planning and schedule, planning of activities and schedules. And I'm telling I want to achieve this in next 6 months. So like this, I created some marketing plan for a salon and I will get some sort of good information like this and I might get tables. I may get some sort of information. When we get like this sort of information, we can improvise it also. Okay. So based on that, I will be creating an image um, that might be helping me. Okay. So it can be an artifact, like it may not be a image, a table, like a means what I call a small Excel table kind of thing also is good enough to create that. So after doing this, what I say, here it is clearly given Instagram content calendar for salons, 50 viral ideas per salon. So these all are artifacts only. Okay. So what I want to do is like I want a table out of it. Okay. So create a table that shows schedule. So this is all my table and now this become my artifact. Okay. So let me show you one more example. Gemini AI. I use Gemini AI and develop and develop a flyer of A5 size to promote my salon business. Okay. So and you can give some good examples like what we do is like I will ask here itself uh, give prompt to generate flyer for my business. So this can be my prompt. So I am using complete prompt here. Okay, so I'm just see it created a nice flyer for me and I can use this flyer for my business presentation. Now this becomes an artifact. Okay, so consider this is an artifact. Now let us come to the task again. So here what is the requirement that is asked? So you are supposed to so this is a portfolio. You are supposed to create a portfolio of artifact, and where exactly the information is nice. Now, these are the sections that need to be at the end. We have like, what is the title? Title is creating a flyer. So this title becomes creating a flyer using Gemini AI. Okay. So what is the artifact? I created this flyer. I will copy this flyer and I will attach along with the content. Okay. My document along with the document, we can add it. Okay. So next for this, I will add it to my Word document and I will also attach it in my email. Okay. So both things you should do. Otherwise, we need to copy it from Word document. That makes like some an unnecessary extra work. Okay, so you should attach your image along with the document. Okay, this is I have this is artifact and what is the title? So generating a beautiful flyer using Gemini AI introduction. So maybe my business is a salon business and like I want to. So I don't say my business is salon business. I want to create a nice flyer for the salon and what is the purpose why that A5 flyer is required and that basic information related to that introduction will be given here and description what is the tool used why it is used how it was used all the thing you will be giving what is the objectives what process you used what tools and technologies you used you will be discussing all this what value proposition it creates okay how it is going to create a value proposition. Further, there is a one more slide. Just read this value proposition slide. You will understand how it is going to create value proposition. Okay. And finally, add some references. This content, all these sections should be clearly mentioned and you will be writing a proper session. Okay. So my suggestion is for this time, select some business and for that create a business plan or create an image like that you try to do that like that sort of information you try to create it's clearly given artifacts for 5 weeks we will be creating different artifacts okay and what that artifact can be as it was discussed here artifact can be a marketing plan for some small business kind of thing in your portfolio an artifact is the proof of what you can do each artifact needs to be accomplished by certain information events such as okay and it is clearly given what is the artifact. If you read this area, you can understand what is the artifact. Okay, artifacts must be include deliverables such as documents, screenshots, articles, code files, reports, visualizations, presentations, or a description alone. Okay, so anything. So you can generate a marketing visualization, an informative visualization, and you should explain it. What is the purpose of it? Okay, and so these all can be like anything if you create a software code to generate some say for example if you want to perform addition a calculator you want to create and if you use ChatGPT to generate AI calculator it will be generating some code right that code files can be artifact okay so all these are artifacts so don't get confused whatever we create using ChatGPT or any LLM tool that is what we are calling artifact taking that artifact into consideration you are supposed to generate a report kind of thing that speaks about title introduction description objective process tools technologies and what value it created. Got it? So that is from my side, team. Just use Gemini AI, ChatGPT, and any other LLM that is available to you. Okay. So and create some sort of artifact and present it to us. All right. So if you provide this information and a screenshot or image or file of that sort, if you give it to us, we will be adding it to the blog. All right. So that's it from my side. Please help yourself and complete the document effectively. All the best. Thank you.